The top 12 Arbor plans and kits. If you're looking for an arbor plan that's perfect for an upcoming wedding, this one is it. With just a saw, drill, and some lumber you can make this simple arbor that's so easy to build it can be assembled the day of the wedding. This arbor would also be great over a driveway or garden entrance. This beautiful garden arbor has an arched top that makes quite the statement. Lattice is on each side, which makes it perfect for growing climbing roses. Since the arch takes a little bit more finesse than your standard arbor, this plan is perfect for the intermediate builder. With this arbor plan and kit, you'll put together a Gothic arbor made out of black steel. It's a delicate arbor that would be great for a walkway. Assembly is very easy, making this a great option if you don't have much experience building. This arbor arch is made out of metal with a rustic finish that will go well with any style of yard. A pretty heart and scroll design are included on both sides, really setting this arbor apart from the rest. This is more than your standard arbor, it has a bench built right into it. Since you can't walk under it, you could put it anywhere in the yard. This arbor adds additional outdoor seating and looks great while doing it. This free arbor plan builds a rustic arbor that works perfectly as an entrance to any area in your yard. In this case, it's being used to grow grapevines. This is a huge arbor, coming in at 8 feet tall and 12 feet across. For just over $100 you can build this beautiful garden arbor. It's a Gothic style arch that uses mesh as a trellis on each side so you can easily grow vegetables like beans, cucumbers, melons, peas, squash, and tomatoes. This garden arbor is made out of cedar, so it's going to really stand up to the weather. This tutorial takes you through the whole process, starting with digging the holes for the posts to finishing the project. This Elmwood arbor by Dura-Trel is made out of a white PVC vinyl, protecting it from all the outdoor elements. Along with the plan, this arbor kit comes pre-cut lumber that has pre-drilled holes, hardware, and ground anchors to hold the whole thing down. Also made out of PVC vinyl, this time in a taupe color, this Camelot arbor from Dura-Trel has a more modern style to it. Lattice is on each side to support growing vines or just as a decorative element. Everything you need is included in this kit, along with the plan to put it all together. This anchor plan and kit builds a wooden arbor made up of pre-stained cedar. It comes with all the hardware and pre-cut lumber that you need. You'll just need a drill and a few other common tools for assembly. This arbor kit builds a wider arbor with an interior width of 60 inches. It's made up of solid fir wood in a beautiful warm stain. This craftsman-style arbor also has lattice sides for climbing plants or flowers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.